Is your home actually cluttered or is it just full of visual noise? There is a massive difference between a mess and a sensory overload. Modern design loves open kitchen cabinets and exposed shelving, but for a sensitive sensory brain, this is a nightmare. Your brain has to catalog every single spice jar and coffee mug every time you walk into the room. This leads to massive decision fatigue before you have even started your day. You aren't messy, you're just overstimulated by the sheer volume of data in your direct line of sight. Try a visual fasting strategy. Swap your clear bins for opaque baskets on those open shelves to hide the chaotic data. Now, if you struggle with out of sight, out of mind, don't hide everything. Keep out just one thing you use daily, like your favorite morning mug or your everyday keys, and hide the rest. If your brain can't see a giant to-do list of items, it stops processing them as chores, but you still have that visual anchor for your daily routine. By giving your eyes a neutral place to land, it's an instant hit of dopamine for a busy brain. Let's move toward a home that supports your focus, not one that steals it.